Welcome back to the channel. This is just a little quick clip of what's inside my wallet to see what's in it and just take a peek. You know, some people are just curious, but in general, I just want to share with you what's inside. Here you have it, Escort wallet. And start off, Chase Sapphire Preferred. I'm a college student, but this is just my daily spender, so mainly everything I do it for the points to later redeem. Again, it's a personal preference that people have. Cashback, mine is just more for points because I usually use it to travel, domestic, international. Followed up with the Amex Platinum. So again, I usually combine these two. This is just for the luxurious side, so the lounges, priority pass, and global entry. So this is amazing. Highly recommend it. The only downside with this is just it's unlike this one where it's just 1 point per dollar, which really sucks compared to the Amex Gold where I believe it's like 4 points per dollar. So you just have to see what would work for you. Then we have my debit card, basic plain debit card. I don't really use my debit card that much, so and then my Discovery card. This is just the one, I guess I just have it here for no reason. Actually, I usually use these two. I enjoy it just because it's just some cash back, so it's good to have some of it. I only have I believe I have like 3 subscriptions on it just to keep this card activated, or at least I should say use it. Yeah, and it keeps my utilization low, so that's good. And the rest is just my student ID card and my driver's license. I'm not going to show that. Here is, yeah, so here's my BJ's card. This is just like a Sam's Club. Again, highly recommend it. It's really good. Followed up by the Costco. Costco's amazing. Anyone who shops there, you already know. Highly recommend the pizza and the hot dogs that they have. Also, just because they have good prices on all main things. I usually use this for cleaning items and buying things in bulk. So these two are basically like a Sam's Club. Really good and highly recommend it. For travel, again, it's just like for Air Canada. Pretty good. My insurance, and then my priority pass. So this is for lounge access. Some lounges are really good, like showers, beds, food, full course meals. So this comes with the Amex, and I believe it comes with the Chase Sapphire Reserve. I'm not sure, but again, really good. So that's why Chase, Amex, and this are just my go-to. Again, highly recommend it. And that is it. That's pretty much what I have and what I use. So I never really carry cash because, again, the clip for this is not that big. So also just the change aspect of it, I don't really like carrying change. But thank you for watching.